Step 1. Press COMM 1, 2, 3, 4, and hash. Default pin number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 2. Press 2, 1, to enter PC COMM menu. Step 3. Press 1, to enable PC COMM. It is a toggle based. Press 1 to enable or disable. Step 4. Press COMM and hash to exit. All done. Thank you.